Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, part 2 of this series. I made a icon for the Smart Fill tool, so I could fill that in with red or whatever color my Smart Fill is in. So it's always right there. But I started thinking it'd be pretty neat to have a shortcut key or a hotkey for it. So let's make one. Normally you have to go to Tools and find that, but we've got it right here. I can right click and go Customize, Toolbar Item, Properties, and it's going to bring that up which you had to search for, and it's right there, Smart Fill. We're going to take a shortcut key, and I want S, but S is being used for something else, so I'm just going to call it F, like in Frank, for fill. I'm going to say assign, and then you have to click OK. So now I have my pick tool picked, but I'm going to have F on my keyboard, and I got the Smart Fill tool. You can still keep this up here and, not change anything. But right now I have the rectangle tool, but I'm going to hit F and I'm going to get the Smart Fill tool. So that's a hotkey. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.